Are you a small business owner, an aspiring entrepreneur, or simply an individual trying to navigate the often complex world of legal documents and advice? Have you ever found yourself wondering if there's a more affordable, more accessible way to handle your legal needs without breaking the bank on traditional law firm fees? If so, you've likely come across Rocket Lawyer. In today's digital age, online legal services have emerged as a powerful alternative, promising convenience, efficiency, and significant cost savings. Among the most prominent players in this space is Rocket Lawyer. But as with any service that claims to revolutionize a traditional industry, a crucial question arises. How much is Rocket Lawyer really worth? And by worth, we're not just talking about its financial valuation as a company, but its value proposition to you, the consumer. Is it a legitimate, reliable solution for your legal needs, or just another online gimmick? Today, we're diving deep into Rocket Lawyer. We'll explore its financial standing, its business model, the services it offers, and ultimately, whether it truly delivers on its promise of making legal help affordable and simple for everyone. We're going to unpack its history, understand its funding, and look at how it stacks up in the competitive legal tech landscape. So, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer picture of Rocket Lawyer's true worth. Let's start with the big picture. Rocket Lawyer as a company. Founded in 2008 by Charlie Moore, Rocket Lawyer is an online legal services provider based in San Francisco, United States. Over the years, it has positioned itself as a leading force in democratizing access to justice, aiming to make legal services affordable and accessible to individuals and small businesses. Now, about its financial standing. While Rocket Lawyer is a privately held company, meaning its stock isn't publicly traded on exchanges like NASDAQ or NYSE, we can still glean significant insights from its funding rounds and valuation reports. As of its latest publicly reported funding round, a Series F in April 2021, Rocket Lawyer raised a substantial $223 million. This brought its total funding to an impressive $288 million across 7 rounds. Following this Series F round, the company's post-money valuation was estimated to be around $646.35 million. That's nearly 2/3 of $1 billion. This valuation reflects strong investor confidence in its business model and its potential for continued growth in the legal tech sector. Key investors in Rocket Lawyer include prominent names like LexisNexis, August Capital, Google Ventures, Industry Ventures, Morgan Stanley, and most recently Vista Credit Partners, who led the $223 million Series F round. The fact that established financial and legal industry players are investing such significant capital speaks volumes about their belief in Rocket Lawyer's vision and its capacity to disrupt the traditional legal market. But how does Rocket Lawyer make its money? What's its business model? Rocket Lawyer primarily operates on a subscription-based model, offering what they call Rocket Legal Plus membership. For a monthly fee, subscribers gain unlimited access to a wide array of services. This includes unlimited access to hundreds of legal document templates that users can customize, sign electronically, print, and download. Think wills, contracts, real estate agreements, business formation documents like LLC operating agreements, and so much more. Beyond just documents, the membership also provides access to legal advice. This means you can ask basic legal questions to their network of lawyers and receive answers, and even get 30-minute consultations with attorneys on new legal endeavors. For more extensive legal help, members often receive significant discounts, sometimes up to 40% off, if they choose to hire an attorney from Rocket Lawyer's network for more complex matters. For businesses specifically, the Rocket Legal Plus membership offers enticing benefits like 1 free incorporation filing, that's for forming an LLC, corporation, or nonprofit, excluding state fees, and then 25% off subsequent filings. They also offer discounts on registered agent services, which are crucial for business compliance. Rocket Lawyer also provides a service called Document Defense. If a contract you created using their platform is disputed, a lawyer from their network can legally respond on your behalf. This adds a layer of reassurance for users, knowing they have legal backing if issues arise with documents created through the service. So, who is Rocket Lawyer designed for? Their services are particularly well-suited for individuals and small to medium-sized business owners who have recurring or common legal needs but want to avoid the high costs associated with traditional law firms. This includes drafting basic contracts, creating wills and trusts, forming business entities, or needing quick legal advice on straightforward matters. It's often praised for its user-friendly interface and the clarity of its information, making legal processes less intimidating for the average person. However, it's important to understand what Rocket Lawyer is not designed for. It's not a substitute for a full-service law firm for complex litigation, highly specialized legal research, or court appearances. If you're dealing with a multi-million-dollar lawsuit, a complicated merger and acquisition, or a contentious divorce that's headed to court, you'll still need the dedicated expertise and representation of a traditional law firm. Rocket Lawyer excels at providing foundational legal support and document creation, rather than comprehensive, bespoke legal counsel for intricate issues. In terms of annual revenue, while Rocket Lawyer doesn't publicly disclose specific figures as a private company, historical data provides some insight into its growth. Back in 2011, it reported annual revenue of $20 million. After switching to a subscription-based model, it saw significant increases, demonstrating the effectiveness of its approach. The substantial funding rounds, particularly the $223 million raised in 2021, indicate that investors anticipate continued strong revenue growth, especially with the increased demand for digital legal solutions accelerated by recent global events. When evaluating Rocket Lawyer's worth, we also need to consider its competitive landscape. The online legal services market is growing, with other notable players like LegalZoom, LegalShield, and various smaller niche providers. Each offers a slightly different mix of services, pricing models, and target audiences. Rocket Lawyer often distinguishes itself with its emphasis on ongoing legal support through its subscription model, as opposed to purely transactional services. The Ask a Lawyer feature and the Document Defense service are key differentiators that aim to provide more proactive legal assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.